guys, welcome back to another video. So today I've had a parcel arrive from Madam Glam. Should we have a little look, see what's inside? Ooh, look at these. So these are the Madam Glam neon gel paints. Look at them. I've been dying to get my hands on these. Look at those colours, guys. Electric yellow, glow orange, dynamic blue, vivid green, ultra pink and hot coral. They look gorgeous. So these Madam Glam gel paints cure in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. They are vegan, cruelty free, palm oil free, 21 free formula and Hema free. Really good quality products these Madam Glam gels are. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to swatch them very quickly, and then I want to do a design using them. I've got so many different designs in mind that I want to do, and I don't know which one to do first. So the first one is dynamic blue. Ooh, look at that colour. I like it. Look at that, guys. One coat. Woohoo! These are gonna be fun. Oh wow, look how bright this yellow is. That is beautiful. Look at that coverage as well. So that's them all cured, guys. And what I love about these Madam Glam gel paints is they cure without a tacky layer, so you don't have to top coat them. So I'm just going to run along the bottom edge with my matte top coat so we can take a look at them matte and shiny. And then we'll come back and take a look at the colours properly. So there we are, guys. That is them all swatched. Look at them colours. How bright are they? They are gorgeous. I love that pink. That coral's pretty as well. Oh, I just like them all. They're super pretty, and they are all one coaters, guys. Look at that one coat coverage. And look at the matte as well. I really like the matte. I love them matte and shiny. I don't know which I prefer. I love both of them. Now I'm going to create a little design using some of the colours. So I'm going to get set up and I'll pop back in a minute. Right, so guys, I have given these all 2 coats of the Madam Glam's Perfect Black Gel Polish. And then I've gone over them with the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. I didn't really have to top coat these with the matte top coat, but at this point I still was undecided of what design I wanted to do. So, let's get started, shall we? So I've popped a little bit of that on my palette, and then I'm going to make sure that I coat all the bristles. This is the best way to make sure you get a nice, perfect straight line across the tip like that. And then I'm going to go up the sides like that. And you'll see when I'm doing long lines like this, I'll use the whole length of the bristles, and you'll find that the brush does most of the work for you.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change, and I feel that you mean it. You mean it. But you're so right, we're losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just
So that's the tips all painted and cured. Now I'm going to go over them all with a coat of the Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Then before I cure those, I'm now going to stick some of these cute little neon flowers. So then I'm going to pop that one in the lamp to cure.
we were on the run, rocking around the clock. Now all we need is right here in front of us. In front of us. So can we just slow down?
So there we are, guys, that's them all swatched, and that is the design that I've done. What do you think? I think they're kind of quirky. Yeah, I like them. They're quirky. They're different. I just think them crystals really finish them off nicely, though. Yeah, they're cute. And look how opaque these gel paints are, guys. Like, one coat over a black is just amazing. This is why I wanted to do a design over black, just to show you how opaque they are. They're just really, really pigmented and creamy and really nice to work with. But even though they're creamy, they're not thick either. They're a really nice consistency. I want to say a massive thank you to Madam Glam for sending me these to try. Really enjoyed working with them. As always, you'll see in the top right hand corner of the screen is my Madam Glam discount code, GG30. Pop that in at your checkout and you'll save yourself 30% off your order. Madam Glam do a VIP membership as well, guys. If anyone's interested in finding out more about that, if you click the Madam Glam website link in my description box, that will take you on over to the Madam Glam website and you'll find all the information that you need on that there. That's everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're not already. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell. That way you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.